Hey Linkers, so you want to know how to get the heart piece in this cave over here? I'm going to show you how. Okay? I kind of do it kind of slowly. Keep in mind, I am just watching myself play. I'm not actually playing right now. But you gotta move that boulder out of the way, jump over, and go where this shell boy is. I gotta play a song first for no reason. You know, I thought my hook shot was equipped. So you're gonna need you're gonna need the bomb in a second. You'll see me change the bomb soon. But you gotta go up there first. Kill that, boys. And yeah, so you switch the bomb. You gotta throw the bomb over this ledge here to blow up that silly rock, and then go over and use your hook shot. That's basically what you gotta do. But I'll leave the video to keep going so you can see me do it. If this video helped you, so please remember to like it, and please remember, do not subscribe to me.